It's definitely for you.
What do you think's in there, Bub? Can you go look? What is it, Em?
What in the world is that?
A present.
It's your present?
But what is it?
It's my helmet.
It's your helmet. What do you do with the helmet?
It's my bike.
Where's your bike? I think it's at Papa's house.
Oh.
I did it, Daddy.
Let me see this.
I my head.
You want to wear it on your head?
On helmet bike.
We need scissors to cut these.
Are you so excited?
I want to say it.
You're so excited?
I want Daddy.
Say, come on, Daddy, get a move on.
What is it?
Daddy,
I
move.
Get a
move on.
move.
Where did the scissors?
Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Daddy.
You say thank you, Papa?
Thank you, Papa.
Oh, good girl.